Good morning, you guys, and we are keeping our eye on an incoming cold front, and it does mean we're going to drop daytime temperatures and add in the possibility for light snow later on this evening and into the overnight hours. And it's the Arctic blast, everyone. We're talking daytime temperatures in the teens by the middle of your work week. Right now, temperatures, though, not all too bad, pretty comfortable actually. In the 40s up and down the I-25 corridor with the 50s in some areas and tracking the teens all the way through the 30s out toward the mountains. Right now wind speeds a bit blustery in certain areas, and we're talking La Junta, Lamar in the double-digit zone, as well as Wolfsonburg, and these wind speeds will be blustery later on between 10 and 25 miles an hour, making the temperatures feel even cooler. May want to grab the jacket and hang on to it later. Here's where the storm system is headed our direction. Right now impacting the northern states, and the blues and the pinks that you see up north, now those are wintry mix snow showers. We do have winter storm warnings as well as winter weather advisories for those northern states, and that's what's headed into our neck of the woods later on. But no sort of activity this morning, very mild and quiet for us. Later on this afternoon between noon and 6 o'clock, when I'm anticipating that cold front, we'll start to see some of those showers. Here's 2:15. We're looking at some of those showers just west rather of Colorado Springs near Salida, and then later on east. Here's what I'm talking about. 5:15 is where we stop the clock. The blue hues indicating some of those snow showers. Overnight, light snow possible, but not going to impact your travel commute is what I'm anticipating. Highs today, relatively comfortable in the 60s up and down the I-25 corridor, 70s, La Junta through Springfield, with the 40s all the way through the 30s out to the mountains. Overnight tonight, very chilly. We're talking the teens for overnight lows, and for the areas shaded in the purple that haven't yet seen a hard freeze, there is a freeze warning in effect overnight tonight. Light showers anticipated throughout much of your 7-day forecast, dipping down to 19 degrees on Wednesday, taking a bit of a break on Thursday before the storms resume. We're taking a 40-degree difference today through tomorrow in Pueblo, with some of those showers still sticking around. For Canyon City, 64 is today's high, 27 tomorrow, 19 degrees on Wednesday, with overnight temperatures in the single digits, with the 40s back though Friday through Sunday. In Teller County, 49 today's high, 20s tomorrow. Oh boy, lower teens on Wednesday. Overnight low of 4 degrees. Youch. And then the 30s back with us Friday through Sunday.
Not looking forward to that.
No, neither.
The single digits.
Denial. Can't do it. Can't.
Thanks, Abby.
You're welcome.
Now we're going to check back in with Paul Richards at KRDO News.